You could see how horribly.
Okay. You ready?
Yep.
Are you ready to be wowed by my awesome riding skills?
Oh, I already know it. The heck was that?
That was my oh shit, I'm gonna run into a humidifier.
Humidifier. Oh man. No, you. Stop!
It's kind of sad that I actually don't really have that much trouble riding this.
That's a door.
The one that we rode the first time was smaller,
Yeah.
because I actually hit my knees on it.
Shall I turn the camera off?
Yes. I'm done with